summer is swimsuit season, but who out there doesn't want a swimsuit body year-round? We all do, right? Well, it's just like our next guest, Jennifer.
Growing up, I was always super skinny. Once I was in high school, I started doing swimsuit competitions and swimsuit modeling. My favorite season, absolutely 100% summer. I love warm weather, I love the beach. Then when I got pregnant, which was wonderful, but I got really massive belly, and no matter how hard I try, my stomach just won't go back to normal. When I look in the mirror now, there's this saggy, loose skin with cellulite on my stomach. So now, I'm very uncomfortable being in a swimsuit. I look at the swimsuits, I still buy them, I still see them and want to fit in them, but you'll always find me in my mommy cover-up. It seems like I've tried everything, I've done every diet. What I'm doing myself isn't working.
Now, as we always talk about diet and exercise, obviously the most important ways to keep your body toned throughout the year. But at the same time, there are some treatments that can help you out. And we actually invited Jennifer to come here today. She's meeting with Dr. Orden as we speak, about to do a new treatment. They're back in our procedure room. So, Dr. Orden, what do you have planned?
We're ready to go. Well, what we have is called the venous freeze treatment. What we're doing, we're freezing time. This is a new product, non-invasive treatment to do a number of things. To improve cellulite, to tighten your skin, and to actually reduce volume, remove a little bit of that excess tissue, excess fat. Just a little caveat in general, to get the best results with this treatment, 6 to 10 treatments. But before we start, let's take a look at Jennifer before we started a couple days ago. So look at that. She's had one baby and she has a little extra fat, doesn't want to undergo surgery. What I'm talking about here is a completely non-invasive procedure. Are you ready, Jennifer? You've already been through this.
I am.
So what we're doing, we're generating heat, and it's also the magnetic pulse. So I apply this on here. I want to keep gently moving, sort of like slowly waxing a car. Circular motions, but then I also want to get a little fancy with some contouring to get some oblique definition here, right? I want to work up and down on those rectus muscles. Are you feeling a little heat?
It feels very nice.
Working that in. So I need to work here for about 10 to 15 minutes on this particular treatment, but you know, it's really cool, it's different, subtle, without surgery.
Well, and Jennifer, you seem to be enjoying it, so we're going to let you finish up back there. Thanks so much, Jennifer.
Up next, did the stomach treatment work? We have Jennifer's results next.
So we're going to look at your before photo, if we may, and compare it with where you're at right now.
Wow, that looks great.
Thank you, Lisa. And I do want to get back to the results from the venous freeze treatment that Dr. Orden was doing before on Jennifer. So we're going to look, Jennifer, at your before photo, if we may, and compare it with where you're at right now.
Wow, that looks great.
And you can
That's
still,
awesome.
you can see, we just did this for Jennifer. She's still red, a little bit of erythema, but that's a result of the treatment. All she needs now is her sheer tan on there. And she used to be a bathing suit model.
I'm good.
I think
yes.
you're looking good.
That is awesome.
And you're happy?
Absolutely.
Glad you enjoyed it.
It's really fabulous.
And ideally, a few more treatments to get the best result.
Sounds great.
So do you ladies ever wonder how the stars look so flawless on the red carpet? Well, they get help. That's how. And tonight, we're revealing the latest celeb favorite treatment to erase wrinkles and cellulite.
Freezing away your wrinkles? It's the hottest new anti-aging treatment to hit Hollywood, and it's painless.
It's probably the most pleasant 30-35 minutes anybody can have, especially in my office.
It's the Venus Freeze, and the doctors who treat Oprah, Kim K, and Beyonce are given extra and exclusive look at the procedure that could change the face of dermatology forever.
It works well. It doesn't hurt. It feels good altogether. And it doesn't require any maintenance. I mean, how much better can you get than that?
It feels great. It's like a hot stone massage.
So how does the Venus Freeze iron out wrinkles?
It's an instrument that uses radio wave energy to heat the skin and cause the tissue that's being treated to get firmer.
This groundbreaking procedure also uses magnets to boost collagen. It works on all body parts, only takes half an hour and about 6 visits to go from this to this.
The results are immediately visible. Right after you're done, the area treated looks firmer. It looks lifted.
All without surgery or downtime at a fraction of the cost. Dr. Lancer sharing his star secrets, how Tinseltown taps into the fountain of youth on the down low. That's at extratv.com.
This is Hollywood Trend Report. The latest cutting-edge celebrity trends and the best luxury living, culture, and lifestyle news in Hollywood. Now, here's your host, Ann Shatilla.
Hi, and welcome to Hollywood Trend Report. I'm Ann Shatilla in Los Angeles. This is the #1 show for the luxury life. Coming up on this week's show, I take you into the world of anti-aging in Hollywood, the latest beauty buzzwords making headlines today, what the celebrities are doing and buying, and how they get that eternal youth. In conversation this week with the top dermatologist to the stars, Dr. Harold Lancer. He's the big man when it comes to knowing what the celebrities do to keep young, known in Hollywood for his pedigree, his knowledge, and extreme attention to patient care.
When people look better, they feel better. And it's very rewarding. You know, I get phone calls, letters, gifts all the time saying, you know, it's amazing that vanity to a certain extent is a good thing.
So we sit down this week and devote an entire half hour to Hollywood beauty trends. Everything from the hot celebrity products on the market today that really work to the latest non-invasive facelift. This one is amazing. No pain, no downtime. I did it. I loved it. It's called Venus Freeze, and it's the #1 skin tightening treatment today in the world. And we take a look at the anti-aging buzzword for 2012, stem cell serum. What exactly is it, and why can't celebrities seem to get enough? That and more this week on Hollywood Trend Report. In the meantime, check out our website, HollywoodTrendReport.com, and our syndicated radio show, which is posted on the site weekly in case you miss it. Okay, here we go. Let's get started. The latest and brand new FDA-approved anti-aging technology on the market today is called Venus Freeze. It's now used for wrinkle reduction and skin tightening, and people just love it because there's no downtime and it's painless. The state-of-the-art device is proven safe for getting rid of wrinkles without injections or lasers. Venus Freeze creates a synergy of magnetic pulses and radio frequency to the body, the face, the stomach, under the neck, jowls, cheeks, under the eyes, the arms, and the legs. As well, it helps with cellulite improvement and circumference reduction. The treatment penetrates into the multiple layers of the skin. It heats the target tissues while treating the wrinkles, and it even creates enough thermal effect to induce collagen remodeling. I sat down again with the anti-aging expert to the stars, Hollywood's top beauty doctor, dermatologist Dr. Harold Lancer. I asked him, what exactly does this do?
The most popular treatment currently anywhere in the world is the Venus Freeze. The one that we use, called the magnetic-driven Venus Freeze, is the most advanced model. But basically, it's an instrument that painlessly, in a warm, fuzzy manner, will get the skin to lift. And when it does that, especially on the neck, jowl, jawline area, it causes the shape of the face to improve. It's like causing that inverted pyramid look. It's painless. It's something that actually there's a waiting list for. to do, and it works by using magnetic-driven radio waves to firm and heat the skin all the way down to the muscle. And we're using it in particular now to not only help the neck and face, but we're using it to lift sort of the bust line, the chest line. And so it's a safe manner to sort of heat that skin, make it a little bit firmer, and make the cleavage line crisper.
The treatment increases blood flow to the treated area, changing the overall condition of the skin. Improving circulation supplies more oxygen, vitamins, and minerals to the cells, while also removing toxins. A more youthful look emerges. The 8 energy waves combine into a single matrix to reduce the temperature peaks. So I decided to try it myself. I had 2 sessions and truly not painful at all. I actually liked the experience. My goal? Smooth skin. There's a device shaped the size of a PC mouse applicator. It slides across your body easily and very comfortably. Most patients notice immediate results after the first treatment. I noticed my skin did look better. The procedure penetrates and triggers the body to produce the collagen and the elastic fibers, and the building begins immediately, and the collagen production continues for months.
It's like a flat iron for the hair, so this is a iron for the skin.
This is so relaxing. I could fall asleep.
Yes. And the good thing about this, it doesn't hurt, but it works.
It doesn't hurt. It feels warm.
Yes.
It's soothing. I like the movement up and down. Will you come home with me?
Oh, sure.
I would just like to have this every day done at home.
Sure.
Beautiful.
It will tighten your skin, firm your skin, tone your skin. So especially on the neck, the woman here, it's always the problem here.
I feel the heat. And what is the heat doing, Vanjie?
It increases the collagen and elastin synthesis. It's just massaging your skin. There's a patient the other day that I did, she said, it feels like a stone massage. That's how it feels like. So she fell asleep.
You're right, it feels like a hot stone massage.
Yes.
Is exactly what it feels like. I do feel it getting hotter as the time is going on, so the increase in the heat is when it becomes beneficial, correct?
Yes.
For 34-year-old Mary Murphy, a publicist from Los Angeles, she had a little extra tightening she wanted around the waist. She was excited to try the latest trend. She said she felt the same way I did. She enjoyed this soothing effect.
It was very warm to very warm. It kind of fluctuated a little bit and rather tingly. So it felt kind of nice too. It glided around. It was almost like a massage on my stomach. So I actually enjoyed the feeling a little bit. You feel like magic is happening.
Word is people get addicted to this. Once they do one part of the body, they want to do the next part. Can you see that happening to you?
I can see why people say that, and I definitely would like to do it again.
Compared to Thermage, Venus Freeze is painless, repeatable, and less expensive.
Direct from Los Angeles, California, you're watching Ann Chatilla's Hollywood Trend Report, the leading source for luxury trend and lifestyle news.